Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get enchanted fish. Alright, let's begin. First of all, I want you to note that enchanting is not necessary for new players. Now, even though this feature is available for you from the beginning, you will have quite a hard time getting the necessary resources with a starting fishing rod. And in addition, enchanting a starting tool, which doesn't really have good attributes, is actually not really a good idea. So the first thing you want to do is you need to visit the cave under the Statue of Sovereignty. And the way you do this is when you go to the starting pier, you will need to go to this small island. Simply, once you log into the game, buy yourself a boat. Then, go to the pier, hop into your boat, and then go to the very right towards the north. When you go towards north, you will see in the sky the Statue of Sovereignty. You will only see the name of this small rocky island, so get there. And then once you're there, make sure you also have an enchant relic with you. Because you will need an enchant relic if you want to enchant inside fish in Roblox. So once you've done this, you need to do the following. First, drive up to this little island, hop off your boat, and then you want to go up this ladder. After that, go down this kind of cave over here until you find a guard next to the elevator. As you can see, here's the elevator, but you can't really use it as it needs a token to run. For that, what you want to do is talk to Cole beside the elevator, and then click, "Can I use the elevator?" Then he's going to tell you that it'll cost 400 game cash. So, click Deal, and he'll say thanks. After that, get to the elevator, and then interact with the panel to go down. Here, get to the enchantment altar, which is in the center of the cave. As you can see, it says you must offer the altar an enchant relic. And to enchant your fishing rod, you will need to use an enchant relic. As I said earlier, already before coming to this island, and before spending 400 in-game money, make sure you have enchanted relic with you. Once you have the relic, it will reward you with a tool with a random enchantment. So that's basically how you can get enchanted fish. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.